Hey, what's up guys? Today we will learn about how to get free access to millions of research paper of IEEE using Sci-Hub. The process is quite simple, just you have to follow it. So let's start. First of all, you have to open any browser. And here you have to type IEEE Explore. Click on it. And here you have to type the keyword for which you want to download your research paper. Like I want to download a research paper on power electronics. Type the keyword and press OK. The things are getting ready. Here you can see that there are multiple research papers are loaded. These research papers belong to different institutions of the world. But the problem is that here you can see that a red lock which show that this research paper is not free of cost. So how to get it free? Click on it. And here you can see that the only abstract of the research paper is visible to us and the remaining part is not visible. So what you have to do? You have to copy this link and in the new window you have to type Sci-Hub. Click on it and paste your link here and click on open. Here it is. Your research paper is now ready to download. You can see that you can download this research paper by just clicking on this option. Like it is on power electronics. Okay, and research paper is now downloaded. In this way you can download any research paper from IEEE Explore website. More than 5 million research papers are available here. You can get free access in this way. I hope you like this video. If you like, then please subscribe to my channel and stay blessed, stay motivated, stay happy. Allah Hafiz.